Recording started.
Oh, so silly.
I don't think the servant cares. They haven't said anything yet.
Oh, I saw that. I see that. Do you see it? I see it too. Oh, can we stick near? Okay. I wish I had a lifeline. Sigh.
I can bring a lifeline.
Oh, but you can't drop
Oh,
it.
scoring. I'm gonna fix, after this servant disappears, I'm gonna fix her little async meg problem.
But I can what?
Oh, you can't drop lifelines.
You
Oh.
can. I thought you could.
I can't.
Can? Or you can?
Oh,
I don't know.
Yeah.
Find that mimic.
Mimic, I can't. Why me?
With the sledgehammer.
I don't think I can do that. I know my limits. I don't think I can do that.
I mean, Bronin has a sledgehammer.
I have a sledgehammer, but I'm like...
Just use a finishing blow with a sledgehammer. Go
I'm
on,
gonna
you
die a
waiting?
horrible and painful death, dude. Why are you nodding at that? I'm not gonna make it. I don't even have, like...
Wisdom is also another very busy person. And Wrath is gone, so, you know, for now. Mario, where'd you go?
I'm here. I don't want to be here.
Go on. Go kill your vending mimic.
Fine. I'm gonna be very upset about this. You can hear how upset I am when I freaking walk backwards like that. Woman.
I heard gunshots. I don't know if you heard them, or if it just was my game or your game. But I definitely heard gunshots.
Woman.
You know what? Do you know what I say to that? Grr.
Alright guys, let's go to the totally safe mode biome.
What do you mean hot?
Let's go find that mimic! Does everyone here have sledges on them?
I have sledge.
Who has sledges on them? No, we got a task, Moon. We have a task. We must go complete the task.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna be AFK for a little bit. If y'all guys here, y'all need any heals? December, specifically you.
I have like 7
point,
new
eventful.
bandages.
I have like 40.
Yes, dude, this is perfect.
Come here. Oh yeah, this
Yeah.
is perfect.
Oh, that's good.
Nothing
And
bad will ever happen when we're in here.
Just keep shooting. I'll try to give you some bandages. Wish we could put up some lights, but we don't have any PPJ.
Oh, thank you.
Hold out a flashlight. Hold out your flashlight.
Thank you.
What? Okay. Anyways, yeah. That's all you get.
Thank you.
Yeah, over here.
Oh yeah, you
over
can
here.
have some fire.
Over Schwer.
You can have one more. There you go.
Alright, surrounded, don't bash it yet, but get your sledge ready.
Yep.
Who else has a sledge? Who
I
else has a
suggest-
sledge?
Try lowering it with a gun first, and then
No, he said with the sledge. Buy something
whole
from it,
thing?
Moon. Charge your hammer up, charge your hammer up.
you guys are fucked, bro.
Moon, buy something from it.
Where you guys at?
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Fucking run.
I don't hear it. Oh, now I hear it. I'll try to draw its attention, maybe. Ow, ow, ow.
Did I hit you with the sledge or did I?
No, sorry, just a little bit. It's kind of my fault.
You totally didn't see that.
He's in the back, he's behind us, behind us.
Moon.
Oh my god, bro. I have no more bandages left.
I have
Ow.
bandages.
Oh, here, Ronan, I have plenty. Come here.
Here, let me provide light.
Here you go. Hold something out. There you go.
Just give me all of them, bro.
That did not hit.
Okay,
Yeah, thank you.
that's pretty much all I have.
Careful, Soren, you're right next to it.
I know. I should bought more, honestly. I didn't think we were doing this. Yeah, just start shooting at it first and then do sledgehammer.
Oh my god, bro.
I'm gonna flip this. Be a crazy flex for you guys. One of us is definitely gonna die.
Tell us when you're shooting just so, because... Where did it go?
I see its shadow, bro. I see its shadow.
Wait,
I don't see its own shadow.
Ah!
Youch.
Come here. Dude, I need...
Oh,
You killed it?
it disappeared.
No way you killed
No,
it.
no, Clip, did somebody get the red marker, at least?
Someone get the red marker?
It would have been Moon.
Oh, Frank.
Oh,
You
that's
got it?
Frax.
Nice.
Yeah, nice.
It's dead.
That's so weird. They must have nerfed the health on that thing.
Yippee.
Maybe it was just the actor going easy on us.
Maybe.
I mean,
I got the most hits with the sledgehammer.
that's
Ah.
I did like 3 hits.
It was
at
definitely
most.
going easy on us.
I mean, at least I fought it.
They
with
have
a
crazy amount of health.
Nice.
Yeah.
You got a few hits with the baton. It's crazy.
Loot.
It's the vending machine.
Swear to God, I'm hallucinating.
I just got a UPG sus, guys.
We should literally be able to loot the scammo machines, so then we can get like what 3K.
Real.
Or like UPG gold.
They have a decent amount of HP. That wasn't really a sledgehammer kill.
Ooh, that's. Yippee. We did it.
I think I only shot it once with my firearm. This time I hit it with the sledgehammer.
Yeah. Very weak.
Fair. I'm gonna sneeze.
That is true. What weakened it?
Any? Oh. Poor guy.
It was resting.
Go poke the mold some more.
Wow, thanks for giving them ideas.
Wait, what did he say? Did he say something to me? I wasn't paying attention.
What
He
happened?
was like, oh, the phasers are gonna come after us. Oh no.
You
They're
guys,
not.
we gotta go.
We go.
We gotta go. We're cooked.
Wait,
Can we?
Moom and Fram, stand next to each other. I need to see you guys. You look like one looks like they're taller than the other. Hold up, come here. Moom, stand next to Fram.
Ram almost looks taller, I think.
Shoulder. Yeah, look at that.
Ooh,
Do you see
I'm
that?
in a null biome. I think I'm getting close.
Oh,
What?
crazy.
I dealt with our little async meg problem. I told you I was gonna deal with it. Plus,
Thank
I'm
goodness.
surprised Fram was
I mean,
supposed to kill
that's-
me. I'm on KOS for async.